Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS margins, and right now we'll be discussing about CSS margin right. We are not talking about left right now, we are talking about CSS margin right. So quickly, how can we get this? To get the CSS margin right, you are going to control the second value, but before you control the second value, you must have 4 values in your margin property. So after that, after the 4 values, then you can control the second value. The immediate second value in your margin property is the one you are going to control. So just for you to get the margin right in CSS shorthand property. So let me show you how this works quickly. Back to our document. As you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the margin left, right? Now let's use the margin right. This is the second value we are about to control. Now let's control it easily. Let's give it 0 value so you can see what will happen. Can you see when I control it, it shifts from the left to the right here. Let me bring it back to 30 so you can see what I'm talking about. 30 pixel reload. Can you see it's come to the left again? Let me give it 100 pixel so you can be able to see clearly more. Can you see the 100 pixel margin from the right? And we can give it, let's give it 300 pixel also so you can see what I'm talking about. Can you see the 300 pixel from the right side? Let me give it 500 pixel. 500 pixel from the right. Can you see 500 pixel from the right? So I'm trying to control the right angles, right margin from where? From the CSS margin property, shorthand property, and I'm using the second value after I specified the 4 values inside our margin property, margin shorthand property. So make sure you practice this, because this second value right here is the one that controls the right margin. So I think we have covered something like, we have covered the margin top, margin bottom, and the margin right. So let's now, in the next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can use this together to form something nice. Anwar, akorede, ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much.